The Turbo Como SL 4.0 is a Class 3 e-bike rated to deliver pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour and equipped with specialized super light propulsion system, which features a 240-watt mid-drive motor and 320-watt-hour integrated battery. It is designed for all-weather transportation and errand running, with all the creature comforts. Full fenders with mud flaps, integrated front and rear lights, a rear rack for panniers, a kickstand, basket, comfy saddle, step-through frame, and upright seating position to see and be seen in traffic. Using a smaller motor to shave weight is hardly new when it comes to performance road riding and mountain biking, where sacrificing some torque and battery size is worth the trade-off for a nimble ride feel and improved handling, but it marks a relatively new phenomenon for a bike with a step-through frame, a relaxed and upright seating position, fenders, rack, kickstand, and all the accoutrements of a good four-season urban transportation machine. Although its motor is smaller, providing double your pedaling input in turbo mode versus 4 times power on the Class 1 Turbo Como, the bike's lightness means you can click through the gears and spin up to speed. This is an e-bike that rewards spinning and efficient pedaling. Rounding out the spec on the 4.0 are 650B wheels and 2.3-inch wide specialized Nimbus tires for gobbling up rough roads, TRP hydraulic disc brakes, and a Shimano 5-speed internally geared hub. Specialized calls it a low-maintenance joy machine.